1 year ago, we declared war against crappy disposable electronics with this product, Zero, the first 3D printed, fully reusable power bank that is modular and scalable. But this was not a quiet journey, because even when things go your way, unexpected shit can always happen. Check this. We almost gave up. We had the chance to showcase at a major tech event, and then this happened.
Do you know what happens when your booth maker cancel the order because they can't deliver on time?
We considered quitting, but this little voice kept yelling, "Your makers, build something," and that's what we did.
So, after 24 hours, it looks like something. 3 a.m. in the morning, I'm the last one leaving. The structure took shape.
After this event, we saw that we could deliver under extreme conditions, and the more you put pressure on us, the more we give the best. Every day we share what's happening within the company or with the product, but sometimes we share some knowledge about Zero and how it will change your life. For example, this video. How to turn this into these. Plastic is a terrible product for the planet because it's durable. If you bury a piece of plastic in the sand, your kids will find it, your grandkids will find it, and your grandkids will find it. So what's the solution?
Modern problems require modern solutions.
Simply avoid single-use plastic. We designed Zero to be fully repairable. You break a part, replace it, and that's it. And to spice up things, it's made of fully recycled plastic. Tech product shouldn't be disposable. So if you want to claim back your right to repair, this will be available in 87 days on Kickstarter, so give it a try. And when I get bored, I make very stupid shorts that embarrass my team and can potentially turn me into a meme, like this one.
Do you know what this is?
La cucaracha?
No, it's Zero, the only power bank that will give you
Power.
Banana!
banana. Not really, but we have it in yellow. And 20 other color combinations that will be available on Kickstarter in 87 days. I hope you like it. We try to make this crazy journey as fun and pleasant for you as possible. If you want to join us, you can subscribe to the pre-launch of Zero using the link in the description and join our community. Let's fight together crappy electronics.